Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you invoices and receipts on the Bumpa web app, where to find them and how to download or share with your customers, and basically also explaining the difference between the both of them. So for invoices, an invoice is a document that indicates an unpaid or partially paid order, and receipts is for an order that has been completely paid for. So to actually get any of these things, first of all, you would need to have an order. So in the previous video, I'm sure you've seen how to create an order, but let's just use an order that has not been paid for example, so that I can show you what the invoice looks like. So let me open this order. And so basically, this is an unpaid order. It hasn't been paid for yet. Right here in payment summary, you will see download invoice. Now, when you click on this button, you have two options where you can choose to download the invoice as a PDF file and send it to your customer, or send it to them via email. So now, if you want to download it as a PDF, you just need to click on this button. It would open up the file as a PDF, which you can see here. Precisely. And then you can just download it immediately and send to your customer, or keep for you. Maybe you want to print it out or something. It's also very possible. Now back here, like I said earlier, you can also choose to send it directly to them as an email. All you need to do is click on this button and it will send the invoice to your customer directly. And that's for invoices. Now let me show you what the receipts look like. So like I mentioned earlier, a receipt is for a paid order, an order that has been paid. So let's actually use a paid order so that you see what that looks like. So this order, for example, has been paid for. Now notice the difference here. Instead of invoice, it says download receipt. When you click on it, you also have the same options, but instead this time around it's a receipt for a completed payment, and you can click on the button here to download as PDF or send to email. And that's it for receipts and invoices on the Bumper web app. See you in the next video.